On March 29, 2019, DINCO E&C Contractor solemnly held the groundbreaking ceremony of the project Sunshine Aerospace Components Manufacturers of Universal Alloy Corporation Viet Nam Co., United States, at High Tech Park, Da Nang City, with the participation of Deputy Prime Minister Hoa Dam and leaders of Da Nang City. Labor safety and environmental sanitation procedures are our primary concerns and enforced every day. By the end of the project, we have exceeded 500,000 hours of construction without any occupational accidents. With an area of more than 17 acres, DINCO has mobilized more than 70 motor vehicles to work continuously for 45 days to fill the ground of more than 330,000 cubic meters with 4 months ahead of schedule. Only a construction with a solid foundation can stand the test of time. With this in mind, the DINCO team of engineers has worked diligently with high spirits and great discipline to complete the project's foundation system on schedule and deliver the best quality. With the construction area of more than 28,650 square meters in Phase 1, in order to meet the strict quality requirements and progress from the investor, DINCO's leading engineers have thoroughly researched and implemented the construction assembly with prefabricated building components at the site, from columns, beams, floors to walls. Although the construction assembly technology of precast concrete members has been constructed in many countries around the world, in Vietnam, this can be said to be the largest industrial house project in the Central Highlands region to apply this technology. As the components are prefabricated on site, their quality is very well controlled with a very small tolerance. All surfaces of the concrete structures are fair-faced, with no plastering. A variety of modern construction equipment was put into use to meet the progress and quality requirements of the project, including dozens of heavy cranes, forklifts, bulldozers, rollers, always available at the construction site to support the operation. Our structural steelwork and fireproof painting was finished at the factory, then transported to the site to erect. All the quality of production and processing steps at the factory are strictly controlled and supervised, including material and weld inspection, surface cleaning before painting, finishing paint, etc. For all on-site construction works, we set out installation and steel truss protection measures during the construction process to meet the requirements of the investor and the supervision consultant. Responsible for the shielding of the project is a roof system made of steel structures with an aperture of up to 181 meters combined with seam lock tone. Even though the roof height is up to 21 meters, with such a roof structure, the construction can withstand extreme weather in the central region, with wind power up to 180 kilometers per hour. In addition to modern construction equipment, DINCO E&C also owns a powerful engineer force, with more than 30 experienced field supervisors and more than 500 skilled workers assigned to the project. As one of the key construction sites of Da Nang City, the site receives special attention and regular visits from the city leaders. The investor as well as the city leaders have spoken favorably about the quality and progress of the project. DINCO is the key to the success of factory investment in Vietnam, said Mr. Kenvin Lobala, the CEO of UAC Group. To control the quality as well as the surface flatness of the floor, DINCO has put into use a floor deck rolling machine with a strict construction process. DINCO has completed the concrete foundation work of 28,650 square meters with high accuracy. The most difficult item of the project is the two 18-meter deep underground wells. To ensure safety, all construction works, except concrete pouring, are done on the ground and later on lowered into the pit. The MEP system is one of the main items of DINCO E&C in the role of design and build general contractor of the Sunshine Aerospace Aviation Component Mill in Da Nang. The project's MEP systems include air conditioning system, negative pressure ventilation system, medium voltage and low voltage systems, lighting system, equipment power supply, electrical cabinets, fire protection system, compressed air system, domestic water supply and drainage system, system of water supply and drainage system in productions, industrial and domestic wastewater treatment system, anodizing surface treatment system. DINCO E&C aims to be a sustainable development company whose integrity and work ethics are core to the business. Thanks to the collaboration and unity of DINCO's team of experienced engineers, we have excellently completed and handed over the UAC factory and put it into use on February 20th, 2020. And DINCO has already been assigned to continue the second phase of the project. To DINCO E&C, customer satisfaction and trust are the keys to our prosperity and sustainable development. Through completing the Sunshine Aerospace Aviation Component Mill project with high quality and safety in our operation, we have proven our ability to take on an American investor's project with the strictest requirements on quality, progress, and labor safety.